Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube Music to play all your favourite songs. By creating a playlist, you can add them all into your favourite playlist. You can create multiple playlists. You can go into library and select your favourite tunes. So if you're driving in the car, or you've got people in the car who like a particular type of music, they can have their choice. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to go into the App Store. So if you go to App at the top on your iPhone, type in YouTube Music, and you can download it there. I've already got it downloaded, so I'm going to just open it. I'm going to go to Home. It's down the bottom, the right hand side, I've got Library. So if I tapped on Library, I've got New, and you can select Playlist. So then if you type in something like whatever you want, so country and western, music, you can add a description if you want, you don't have to. Then you've got privacy. I prefer to have mine private, but will still play in the car. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. Thanks for watching.